Alright, hello ladies and gentlemen, it's me again, the Slate River. So welcome back to White Noise once again. So I decided to play this game again because, well, I don't know, I had a lot of fun playing it, and plus, I'm sure it's gonna be fun hearing me scream, which is why I'm playing it again, so I can hear myself scream. But anyway, I got some tips from Injustice that I played this. I played the game with him, and he gave me some tips, and he gave me a few extra characters for playing with him. Let's see, Nightmare again. I played with him hard, and it was kind of fun, a lot of fun. Let's see, I got new characters. So yeah, Anne Marie. So new character, we got Frank. Where's the party? This young rascal doesn't take anything too seriously. Will he be able to escape this nightmare alive? And we got Chuck. Crap, look at his stats. Being a tough, hard rocker is not an easy task, but Chuck really knows how to make that queef look daring. Is that what it says? And here we got Richard, another new character. Used to flee from the horde of fans running out at him on every corner. I can't even read. This old rocker can endure any stage fright with a steady hand. Okay, so we got more stuff. Oh yeah, Hannah. Oh my God, Hannah. She's the best. Hannah went out jogging while listening to her favorite band. Little she knew her music was drawing the darkness toward her. Crap, Hannah's awesome. After being overwhelmed by years of paperwork, Rafaela decided to put aside her physical, what does it say? Psychology career in the search of the unknown. And we have Sylvia. Oh, crap. Hey, look, a hat. Invisible Man. Oh my God. I have to unlock him. Oh my God. Invisible Man. Invisible Woman. Oh, that's so sick. That's so sick. I gotta unlock that. Okay. Besides that, since her youth, Sylvia has been a rebel and free spirit girl. Oh, I like her already. Now she is a very capable investigator with a captivating personality. Alright, so I should play one of the new characters. Let's try Frank. Oh my God, Invisible Man. I want to be Invisible Man, dude. I want to unlock him. How do I unlock him? Okay, so I'm Frank. Oh crap, what is this place? I'm already going crazy. Ah! Okay, so what I figured out is that green statues, yeah, those things can kill you. And apparently they can move around too. So I better watch out for those. Yes, thank you, Injustice, for playing this game with me. Thank you very much. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Well, anyway, yeah, I gotta watch out for those. And apparently, once this monster gets angry, like on hard mode, he gets angry like very late. Like if you collect 6 pages, 6 notes. No, 6 recorders. This isn't Slender. And plus, this monster is an alien. Besides that, got a flashlight. Where's the tape recorder? There it is. Ah! Oh, God. Oh, there it is. Okay. Whew. Pick it up. There you go. Oh, yeah, by the way, I seen the first video. It sucked, man. You can see my reflection, like, through this TV. Like, I was so disappointed, knowing that you can see my reflection. You even saw, like, water bottles in the back. So disappointing. I don't even think I can fix that. Turn on the flashlight. See the background? Hi. Here I am. Okay. Any notes here? Tape recorders? I don't see any. Okay. Not seeing any monster. Monster, where are you? I'm getting very, very juicy. Come here, monster. He's shy. I can tell he is shy. Ah! Ah! Okay. Let's not open my big mouth again, shall we? Oh, I'm getting tired. He's still behind me? He's gone. Okay, where are the paper? I mean, the recorders. Give me some recorders. I've been there already. This map's confusing. I am so lonely, all by myself, looking for tapes. How do you guys like my song? Is it cool? Ugh, green statue! Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Just turn around like it never, like, just pretend it never existed. Pretend that it's just all in your head. All in your head. Do 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 do. Oh man, okay, I'm gonna admit this is a little scary. Going to a museum like this, and that head, it does not help, man. It does not help. Oh wait, check it out. Someone's walking barefooted here. I can tell by the footprints. Okay, Purple Haze. Hey, thank you for coming online and being in the video. I gotta turn that off. Actually, no, I keep it on purpose, so I can show off my friends. That I might, even if I don't know them, but still. Okay. Oh crap! Wow! Ah, dude, it's an execution room. There's the tape. Give me that. Give me the tape. Hey. Why does it gotta be by guillotine? Is that what they call it? Guillotine? That thing that chops off your head? I did not remember. I did not remember. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you that I'm very, very sorry for not making videos like that often anymore, because I will soon, but the thing is that I'm close to graduation and I gotta prepare for finals and all that stuff. So graduation is very, very close, like very, very close. Like on my graduation's on June 10th, but if you guys are graduating, then that's cool. Cool, me and you are the same, like, on the same road here. Is that how they say it? I'm sorry, I do not speak English. Hey! Oh, hey, it's gone. Sucker. Give me that tape now. Give me that tape. Give me it. Okay, he might go crazy. If he does, I'm running. I'm so slow. That's the problem. And I get lost. The thing is that I'm not focusing on where I'm at and what I'm doing. God's sakes, I'm already tired. Catch your breath, dude. Okay, I'm good. Yeah, he's going crazy. Go, run for your life. Run for your mother fudging life. Not behind me, is he? No. Where could he be then? Ah! Ah! I had to ask. Why do I ask stupid questions? Why? What is wrong with me? Oh, I'm tired. I am tired. Where'd he go? I gotta keep staring at him. Hey! There's a tape here. Give me the mother fudging tape. Got it. It's all mine. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you, I'm in a good mood. It's so funny. I don't know why. Okay, just go. All by myself. Ah ha ha! Get away from me. Ugh. Oh, my brain. I can't take it. Ah. Keep staring at him. Oh, crap, he disappeared. Hey! Okay. Just run. I had to keep staring at him or else he would jump scare me, so screw that. Still behind me? Dude, I want to live. Oh, crap. Green statue! Okay, just don't stare at it. Just don't stare at it. Look around. Okay, just go. Where's that alien at anyway? Hey! Just go. God's sakes, I hear no tape. I hear a tape, but it's the green statue that makes that noise. Just go. Come on, Frank. Frank, come on. Hey! Oh, these poles. Now I really. Hey! Just let me have the statue. Ah, my eyes. Ah! I can't see. Why won't you let me have the tape? He's guarding the tape. That cheater. Green statue. Oh my god. Hey! Yeah! Ah! Ah! He's everywhere. Ah, I can't see. I'm going insane. Ah! 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 Okay. I'm tired. I can't run anymore. I'm so tired. Where's the tape? Where's this tape? Give me the tape. Where is it? Did he take it? Mother fudging. You cheater. You can't take tapes. Okay, where's the tape? Not in this room either. Ah. Hey, look in the bright side. I'm lasting long. Oh, turn off your flashlight, because I don't want to run out of battery. I don't even know why I'm... Hey! I don't even know why I'm walking. Ah, I'm going insane again. Ah. What the heck? Did you hear that? Ah! Dude, my character screamed. Hey! Ah! 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 Hey! Ah! Man, do you hear that, guys? My character screamed. Guys and gals. Ah! Vibrations. Those are not good vibrations. Those are bad. Okay, now where is this tape? I'm looking around and never seen it. Hey! He's probably guarding it. That's what it is. That's probably what it is. God's sakes, I haven't seen a single tape. That's sad. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Okay, just stay there. Let me just explore around. Ah, he's coming closer. Okay. Is he gone? Okay, yeah, he's gone. Okay, good. Wait, is he at least near me? He just disappeared. Ah! Oh, there he is. Great. It's like you don't want me to escape. Why? Why? I don't want to turn around. I don't even want to know what that was. I don't even want to see. Where's the tape? Give me the tape. Give me the tape. No tape? Where the heck are these tapes? I hear... Hey! Just go in this room. Oh, Frank, you're already tired. Why? Don't even turn around. Oh, okay, I have to. Nope, nothing. He could probably cut me off. Man, my flashlight's blinking. Where is the tape? I haven't seen a single tape. Give me a tape. Give me the tape. Give me the tape. Say it with me, guys. Give me the tape. Give me the tape. Oh, I'm tired again. Oh, he's gonna come out. I know he's gonna come out once I turn around. He's gonna come out. When I go in the end of this and turn around, he's just gonna come. Wanna bet? What the heck? He's not here. Are you serious? Oh, okay. I lost that bet then. But I am hearing noises though. It's freaking me out. Wait, I've been in this room. Wait, where's this alien at? I haven't even seen it. Oh, God. I'm tired. Hey, samurais! Help me! Help me! There's an alien after me. He's gonna eat me. Ah! 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 Help me! You're not real. Ah! He's just next to me. He's right behind me. Just run. Run for your life. I hear it. It's right there. There it is. Get it. I'm gonna get it, and you're gonna see me get it. I got it. Run. Run. Now he's gonna go crazy. Run. Run. Don't stop running. Just don't stop. Oh, crap. I'm tired already. Run. Just keep running. Keep running. Go. I'm tired. Catch your breath. Hey! He's going crazy. Run. 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 I can't run. I'm too big. Hey. Ah, run. God's sakes, too many Happy Meals. I gotta come back. Ah. Hey. Don't do that. I'm tired again. Ah, run. Run! Ah, I'm going insane! Ah! Ah! Mama, is that you? Ah! Wait, you're not my mommy? Get away from me, stupid oven. Where'd that alien go? Oh, who cares? Just keep running. I don't want to go crazy again. Is that a tape? Have I been in this room? I can't even tell anymore. God's sakes, this room's so big. I'm never gonna find... Oh, it could be a tape here. I hear it. I hear it. Where could it be, though? Oh, it's right there. Give me it. Oh, now he's gonna go even crazier. Run, then don't stop then. I'm tired. Run. Run. Oh, I coughed. Oh. I'm gonna puke. Oh. Hey! Run! I told you to run! Mother effer, run! 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 Oh, I coughed again. It's just right there. He's catching up. Ah! Ah! I'm going insane. Ah! It's a dead end. Great. I'm stuck. He's right there. Sun Tzu warriors, help. told you to help me. You don't help. Ah ha ha! Oh god, that. Oh, my voice. Oh man, that really scared me. It was 6 tapes. Oh my god, Frank. Ah, 4 screams. That was bad. Look at I did go in a circle. Found a tape right there, but I got scared there. Yeah, look at see I did go in circles. Oh crap. Well, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta end it here. Now I'm running. I'm running out of time. So like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a good day. And good luck to those seniors that are graduating today. Good luck. I wish you luck. Hopefully, you wish me luck, because I'm graduating too. You're not the only one. Well, anyway, I'll see you later, guys. Take care.